watch this video. Meron pa tayong video na papakita.
2,450 lang.
Serum hydrolyzed collagen tripeptide.
Ayan na, excited ka na ba sa serum? Guys, this is a game changer. This is a game changer product in the cosmetic industry. Simply because with one word and one word alone. If you will remember one thing about the serum, one word lang. Ask me what word is that? Tripeptide. Everybody say tripeptide. Ayan. When we talk about serums na collagen, marami ding klaseng collagen serums sa market. Mamaya makikita mo what's the differentiating factor with our Eye Glow serum. Okay. Here you go. Smallest structural unit of collagen with 99% skin absorption. Kasi yung iba, nagmamadali. Naiinip ng kakatimpla ng Eye Glow 24/7. Gustong mabilisin, padaliin yung pagganda at pagbata. Meron bang ganon? Umiinom ka ng collagen, gusto may pinapahid pa. So for those people, for those particular market segment na gusto may serum na pinapahid, guys, Eye Glow Serum is the product of choice. Why? 99% skin penetration or absorption. The absorption rate is faster, helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles, keeps moisturizing yung skin's moisture, may skin brightening and skin lightening effect, mas mabilis, makes skin supple, fresh, para lagi kang mukhang fresh, hindi yung parang may hangover. And young looking, gusto mo bang bumata? Okay lang ba yung mga 10 years younger? Here you go. Guys, collagen tripeptide delivers superior results simply because of its smaller molecular structure. Kaya nga tinawag na tripeptide. 3 unit lang yung molecular structure niya. It's so small, it can penetrate the skin on a deeper basis. So mas maganda yung effect, mas mabilis yung effect. There are 7 bioherbs. It promotes skin renewal and skin rejuvenation. Meron din siyang hyaluronic acid, which is in combination with collagen tripeptide, it works in synergy. Mas napopotentiate yung kanyang effects. Okay? So guys, look at this. 3 types of serum. 3 types of collagen serum. 1, your ordinary collagen serum. Gaano kalaki? There you go, 100,000 to 300,000 Dalton size. Kaya mura. May premium, mahal, but yung kanyang Dalton size is 3,000 to 5,000. Malaki-laki pa rin. Pero may effect na siya. The good thing with our Eye Glow hydrolyzed collagen tripeptide, it's only 300 Dalton size. Maliit, magaan, mas madaling makapenetrate. 95 to 99% absorption and penetration rate. Doctor formulated in South Korea, ingredients with human clinical studies. Excited ka na ba? Eye Glow, definitely. You will look fresher, you will look younger, you will look healthier. Ayan. Ano-ano ba? What are the benefits of using Eye Glow, your smart collagen? Let's just say kung ikaw ay babae. Ayan. Reduces dark circles under eye bags and wrinkles. Yung eye bag mo ba mukha ng bagahe? Bakit? Laging puyat, walang tulog. Laging naka-online. So it can reduce the appearance of those eye bags. What else? Reduces the appearance of visible pores. Kaya, nakalimutan mo ba magpa-derma? Nakalimutan mo ba magpa-facial? It should be regular treatment every month or every so often. The good thing is that if you're taking eye glow, para ka na rin nagpapaderma. Maganda po ba yun? What else? Hydrates skin to manage fine lines, spots, and dry skin. Hydration is the key. Kaya sasabihin ng mga medical professionals sa inyo, drink water every now and then. Kasi can you imagine kapag hindi ka pala inom, tuyot na yung balat mo, dehydrated ka pa. It will clearly show. So if you are taking eye glow, para kang nag-a-apply ng moisturizer ng hindi naman. Because hydration is the key. It will provide you with good and deep hydration. Slows the process of skin aging and sagging. Ano yung sagging? Yung banana. Sagging, nagsasag na. Ang bata-bata mo pa pero ang mukha ka ng thunders. Mukha ka ng senior citizen. Okay? So, the good thing with eye glow, your smart collagen, it reverses those kinds of signs. Kung ikaw naman lalaki, ayan, may Botox alternative. It reduces your fine lines and your wrinkles.